Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today I've got an incredible and eco-friendly gardening hack for you. You won't believe what you can do with your old jeans. Yes, you heard that right. Don't throw away those worn-out jeans just yet because we're going to show you how to use them to grow lots of juicy tomatoes. Stay tuned to find out how. First, let's gather everything we need for this project. Here's what you'll need. Old jeans, a pair of scissors, a large container or pot with drainage holes, quality potting soil, tomato seedlings, twine or string, and a stake or tomato cage. Alright, let's start by preparing our old jeans. Lay them flat and cut off each leg. We're going to use these legs as planters. Make sure you cut them evenly to have two separate denim tubes. These will serve as unique, breathable planters for our tomatoes. Next, take one of the denim tubes and fill it with potting soil. Leave about 2 inches at the top. Repeat the same with the other leg. Now, make a small hole in the center of the soil and place your tomato seedling in it. Gently pat the soil around the base of the plant. Place your denim planters into a large container or pot. This will help keep them upright and allow for easy drainage. You can also add a stake or tomato cage at this point to support the plant as it grows. Water your tomato plants well, but make sure not to overwater. The denim fabric will help regulate moisture, providing a well-drained environment. Place the container in a sunny spot and watch your tomatoes thrive. Regularly check for water needs and support your plant as it grows taller. You might be wondering why we're using jeans. Well, denim is a durable, breathable material that allows for excellent air circulation around the roots. This can help prevent root rot and other issues associated with overwatering. Plus, it's a fantastic way to recycle and repurpose old clothing, reducing waste and helping the environment. After a few weeks, you'll start to see flowers and then small green tomatoes. With proper care, these will grow into delicious, ripe tomatoes ready for harvest. Harvest them as they ripen, and enjoy fresh, homegrown tomatoes right from your unique denim planter. So next time you have an old pair of jeans, don't throw them away. Turn them into a productive part of your garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening hacks and tips. Happy gardening, everyone. See you in the next video.